But before we do that, this is $50,000 and it is surrounded by thousands of pounds of TNT. And this is Will.
What's up, guys?
See that crate in the field?
Yeah. Oh, man.
That is around 1% of the explosives surrounding this money.
Are we safe standing here?
Yeah, you'll be fine. Here's my credit card. Spend as much money as you want to protect this 50 grand. I don't care if you use wood, bricks, or even steel to protect this money. Whatever's left of this 50 grand when that TNT blows up, you keep. Good luck building walls.
All right, let's make $50,000.
He doesn't stand a